Hello and welcome to CIS4510 IT Project Management. IT projects are executed daily in every organization, no matter what the size is, either through hardware, software, or networking, or any other IT project. There are lots of projects that will be implemented, that will be deployed on a daily basis. As any other project, and with the complexity and uncertainty associated with these projects, IT projects need to be managed and executed carefully. This course addresses managing IT projects. My name is Professor Yusuf and I will be your instructor for this course. Please feel free to contact me via email or via or through virtual office hours through Microsoft Teams. Please take the time to view, read, and understand all the provided material. 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus and the posted material under course content. If you have questions, you can use Microsoft Teams to chat with me or to even video conference me during my virtual office hours. My office hours are posted under the announcements tab through the online learning system and in the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, I created a link within the welcome announcement. Click here to start, which will take you to course material under modules. The textbook for this course is called Information Technology Project Management, the 8th edition from Cengage Learning Publishing Company. It's by Kathy Skolable. And you can buy the book from the bookstore, or you can buy it from online used if you need. Just search for it and you can find a used copy cheaper than the actual copy. The course is online, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. Your homepage will display the different courses where you can click on your course of interest to access course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to get yourself familiar with the course organization. If you're not familiar yet, you can get familiar with the navigation process. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every 24 hours to stay current with course requirements and announcements and changes. For easy access, all course material, including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentations, lectures, and supplemental material, have been posted under the course content tab through different modules. The modules will be released on a weekly basis as the semester progresses. As we said before, you need to access your online courses daily to check for the latest updates and due dates. You will see announcements, you will see changes. Even if I want to change the schedule, that will be posted there. If there are any changes in the schedule, it will be posted under the course content. The syllabus quiz should be completed during the first week. Failing to complete the quiz could lead to purging from the course, and you will not be able to view the next module of the course material. This is a quiz that will show that you are interacting with the course, that you understand the syllabus, you understand the material, you read everything, and you're ready to go. So you have to complete that quiz. In addition, we have what we call a participation, weekly participation discussion. For the first week, there is no participation discussion. But from the second week, we're going to start, and all students are required to complete a weekly discussion, which should be due by Sunday of each week. So make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the week and respond to at least one of your peers by the end of that week. The first week will not include a discussion. since it's just course information, the discussion posting will begin from week 2. The weekly discussion is to answer the questions posted and reply to at least one of your classmates' posts before the end of the submission period. The questions should be answered after reviewing the course material for that week. As stated before, it's required to complete this weekly discussion. This weekly discussion is the participation, so I will know that you are active in the course, I will know that you are reviewing the material, and you will be actually monitored through that participation. In addition, you will get grade just for reviewing the course material. Use the provided channels to communicate with me. The more you communicate, the better you will understand the course material and course requirements. Email messages should have the subject as the name of the course and the problem you have. So I will know that this email is coming from this class and it's addressing or it's concerned about this problem. Use professional language and professional words when writing your email. Virtual office hours are posted online. With Microsoft Teams, you can share documents, share screen, and post questions as needed. Assignment submission should be through FALCON Online, and please do not email me any assignments unless you've been asked to do so. Late assignments will not be accepted. Use the following format for assignment naming or for the assignment naming format, which is A1 or A2 or A3 underscore 4510, which is the course number, underscore your last name. By doing this, I will know which assignment coming from what course and who submitted that assignment. So when I download on my machine, on my desktop, then I will have the list of these assignments and I will know how to track them on my machine. Include a cover page for each assignment with the course name and the number, your full name, email address, and the assignment number. So I will, again, that will assist me in tracking those documents when get downloaded or when graded. The assignment should be submitted in Microsoft Word or in PDF format. The group project will be divided into 3 project assignments that should be submitted over the progress of the course. Although it will be a collaborative teamwork, everyone in the team should submit his or her own copy of the group assignment. Points will be subtracted for failing to submit your own copy of the project assignment. The project guidelines and requirements will be explained in a separate session. And again, for the course, for the project, the project assignment should be submitted in Microsoft Word or PDF. The project assignment naming format should be like PA1, PA2, PA3, underscore the course number, which is 4510, underscore your last name. And again, that will the proper naming will assist me in the grading process. So please follow the naming format. The project reports should be submitted with the proper grammar and correct spelling. And if you need help, we have resources at the college to assist you in writing that report. We have the Writing Center, and now they have virtual office hours. They can assist you virtually in writing the report. There will be 2 exams through the whole semester, midterm and the final. Both exams will have true, false, and multiple choice questions. The final will include all chapters within the course material. You will not be able to start your final until you finish your peer evaluation first. If you have any questions, you can either email it to me or use the chat through Microsoft Teams during my virtual office hours. When I say that, that means during my virtual office hours. That does not mean the last minute questions in the last minute. If you have questions about the exam, it has to be during office hours, during the virtual office hours, so I can help you with the exam if you have any problem. If not, and you had a problem maybe at night, if you started the exam at night, I will not be able to help you at that point. Make sure if you have any question for the exam to ask before, or if it's instantly, then just send an email and I'll take care of it the second day. It's very important to work and submit all course activities. Having high grades in the exam does not mean that you will pass the course. All activities are designed to complement each other and to assist in the learning process. So if you have questions about the grades, just email it to me and I will be more than glad to answer your question. I will be more than glad to review your exams or your assignments with you, and if there are any adjustments, it will be done accordingly. The goal of this course is to introduce concepts, methodologies, techniques, and tools of managing software development in addition to hardware, computer network, and communication systems configuration. So basically, we are looking at this IT project and looking for tools or techniques that will assist me to manage these projects. It's very complex, it's very hard, and we need some kind of tools to monitor and to plan and to implement these projects. After completing this course, you will be able to collect project requirements, analyze the collected data, perform feasibility study, identify associated risk, plan for the project, execute the project, then close the project and deliver to customer. You will be able to utilize skills gained from other courses to plan and execute an IT project. If you learn something about networking, about database, about web development, about the software configuration or software management or software development, all these information or skills that you gained, you will be utilizing those in this course. You will be able to work in teams, collaborating and communicating in a professional way, and that will assist you and can build your profile or portfolio when you go and work with a company. So you can use this project to apply for other companies or to apply for a job. You will learn IT project management concepts, methodologies, tools, and techniques will be employed to execute a successful IT project. You will be able to identify resources and estimate time, cost associated with each activity within the project. By doing that, you will know how much would it cost to execute that project and what kind of resources, what kind of skills, how many people do I need, what are the type of skills that will be required from them or for them to be able to execute that project. The topics covered will address collecting project information, analyzing and evaluation of the requirements, developing the proper plan to execute the project, including identifying the resources needed, the duration of each task, the cost associated with each task. In addition, you will address the uncertainty associated with IT projects and the risk stemmed from such uncertainty, especially when you are dealing with software development. Basically, you don't know anything what the outcome or the result will be, and you start developing and writing the code and debugging until you get things done. So you have lots of uncertainty involved in that. With that being said, you need to manage risk, and risk management is a very important part of executing an IT project. To plan and execute the project properly, we can use some of the available tools for free, such as Microsoft Project and Microsoft Visio. Those we have in the college for free. But if you cannot obtain a copy of these free software packages, then you can go online and search for any similar. Microsoft Visio is for drawing, any similar drawing software. Microsoft Project is a project management software. Any free online project management software you can download and you can utilize. So it's not a must to use those in particular. This is just a suggestion, but those are tools that will assist you in monitoring, in planning, and in managing and executing the IT project. That will be all for the session. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me via the announced channels. Thank you and have a great day.